Good morning, students. Today we will study the poem Leisure. Leisure, here see, the title itself is giving some message. Here in this poem, the poet W.H. Davies, he is criticizing the life of the people, the way of living. Why he is criticizing? Let us see. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. See, here in first two lines, here the poet is saying, what is this life if full of care? That means, suppose that we are always busy with ourselves, with our daily routine, then what is our life? We have no time to stand and stare. That means the people are so busy that they are not having time to live beside, behind, and look the beauty of the nature. Here the poet is saying, no time to stand beneath the bog. See, today the people have become so busy. आज इतने बिजी हो गए हैं, they are not having time even to stand below a shade of tree and stare as long as sheep or cows. That means, see, the poet is comparing our life with the animals. He is saying that animals' life are far better than the life of human beings. ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं? वो कह रहे हैं पोएट कि अभी मनुष्य इतना व्यस्त हो गया है कि उसको खड़ा होकर प्रकृति में क्या हो रहा है, अपने आसपास क्या हो रहा है, वो भी देखने का फुर्सत नहीं है. एंड sheep or cows, they are having sufficient time. No time to see when woods we pass. That means, here the poet is saying, woods means here forest. Woods means forest. The poet is saying, people are not having time to see around them. इसका मतलब जब वो कोई भी व्यक्ति जंगल से होकर गुजरता है तो उनके पास इतनी फुर्सत नहीं होती है कि वो क्या हो रहा है उस रास्ते के किनारे, ये देखने का फुर्सत लोगों को नहीं होता है. Where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. See, the poet is explaining the life of the people. है ना कि स्क्वेरल गिलहरी को कहा जाता है. वो कहाँ अपना जो नट्स हैं, बादाम है, उसको कहाँ छुपाता है, ये भी हमें देखने की फुर्सत नहीं है. No time to see in broad daylight. See, here the poet is saying we are not having time to see during the day also. We are that much busy in our daily work. Streams full of stars like skies at night. During the day we are busy, but during the night also we are not having time to look upon the sky. इतने हम बिजी हो गए हैं कि रात को भी हमें एक बार आसमान में जो सुंदरता दिखाई देती है, उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ दिखाई देती हैं, उसको भी देखने का समय हमें नहीं मिलता है. Poet is saying, no time to turn at beauty's gloss. See, No time to turn at beauty's glance. That means we are not having time to see the beauty of the nature and watch her feet how they can dance. That means even people are become so busy that even they can't like to see the beauty in front of them. Such busy the human beings are. That's why he is criticizing the life of human beings, that they become they become busy in their daily work. They are not having time for themselves, for their families, and to admire the beauty of the nature. No time to wait till her mouth can, and reach that smile her eyes began. See, even the people are not having time to see the beauty's appearance. How the mouth is expressing the word, how the eyes used to seem. A poor life is full of care. So now he is saying such type of life which is full of busyness without enjoying the life is dull life. यानी कि ये जो लाइफ साइकिल है, यानी कि जीने का तरीका है, लोगों के जो बेस्ट रहते हैं, ये अच्छी जिंदगी नहीं है, पोएट का कहना है. We have no time to stand and stare. Why? Because even we are not having time to stand and stare. Stare means look. है ना, हम इतनी व्यस्त है हमारी जिंदगी कि हमें अपने आसपास क्या हो रहा है, क्या अपने साथ क्या हो रहा है, ये भी जानने का समय नहीं है. इसका मतलब हमारा लाइफ जो है दैट इज डल. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज क्रिटिसाइजिंग. Students, this is the small poem written by W.S. Davis. This poem is giving message. Here this poem is saying that the life of the people became so busy that even they are not getting time to spend with their relatives, family members, or to enjoy the beauty of the nature. That's why he is saying the life of the people became dull in comparison to animals.